Hello YouTube, this is the SuperTrend indicator. This is a completely free indicator you can download by clicking the first link in the description or visiting the webpage usefulindicators.com. So right now I'm on the NinjaTrader 8 platform on a 5-minute chart, but this works on any chart type and any time frame. So we can, for example, open up a 2K tick chart here. The core calculation of the SuperTrend is using the ATR, average true range, and then a multiplier. So it will print these lines and then flip once momentum changes. So it's a great tool for spotting trends in the market. The default values are more short-term, but you can also choose the values and enable the ADX filter if you want to use it more for mid to long-term. So it's made to be highly customizable, to look and feel exactly how you want it to be. So I'm just going to show you some of the settings here. At the top, you have the ATR period and multiplier. You can use whatever values you want. Under it, we have the visuals for the line. So for example, if I wanted, let's say, white color and dashed style for the bull line, it will look like this. And let's do yellow color and solid line for the bear line. Under it, you have the paint bars option. If you uncheck that, the normal color of your bars will show. And then we have the flip arrows option. If you enable this, it will simply print arrows for each flip. Under that, we have the label settings. So default, it will show bars or bars amount for each trend. And then the price. You can also do distance to line and then percentage since last flip. Use multiple different types of font and then size for the label. And of course the label is completely live, but right now it's a Sunday, so the values are not changing. Under that we have the ADX filter. If you enable this, you will get a smoother curve. You can also use whatever values you want on this. And then at the bottom, we have alerts if you want to be alerted for each flip of the SuperTrend. So this indicator is made to be highly customizable and uses all of the correct math and calculations of the SuperTrend.